Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by launching the process. First, make sure your current game is backed up and your device has a stable connection. Open your VPN and pick a Japan node. Tokyo or Osaka usually gives the lowest ping. Once connected, clear the game's cache and force stop it. This prevents the client keeping old regional data. Now prepare a Japan account. You can create a new in-game account or ready your alternate login. These steps let the game detect Japan correctly when you proceed. Next, change device language or region settings to Japan if the store enforces locale. Then switch your Play Store or App Store to Japan or download the JP APK if stores keep blocking access. Once the game is reinstalled, keep your VPN connected to a Tokyo node and launch the app. At the login screen, select your prepared Japan account or create one. The client should now show Japanese servers. If the server list doesn't appear, force close and reopen while VPN remains on. Finally, pick the Japan server from the server list and accept any region prompts. You might see Japanese text, that's normal. Once in lobby, verify ping and try a quick match to confirm gameplay stability. If matches fail, make sure the VPN is still on the same Japan node and that your account is logged into the JP region. Troubleshoot by clearing app data, reinstalling with VPN active, or switching to another Tokyo node. These fixes resolve most connection or region detection failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.